Hey everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to unmute status on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Okay guys, with the latest updates on WhatsApp, they've changed the way you unmute a status. It's a bit different now, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. First things first, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Once you are in, click on the Updates tab. If you want to mute a status, you're going to click on the status itself. See that? Just tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Once you've done that, hit the mute option. Confirm it, and you're good to go. That's the new way to mute a status. Now, if you want to unmute a status, it's equally easy. Scroll to the very right, and you will see Mute option. Click on it. Here you can see all muted status. Click on the status you want to unmute. Now, click on the three dots. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on the unmute and then again click on the unmute to confirm it. Now, you can see the status has been removed from the muted list. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.